Hey, and welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I will show you how to make an amazing prime rib. One of my holiday favorites is prime rib. Oh my god, it's so amazing, so juicy, tender and flavorful. And what I specifically like is horseradish sauce. Just thinking about it makes me crave it. Did you know that prime rib and ribeye steaks are basically from the same part of the steer? It's basically from the same beef rib. Either you cut it into ribeye steaks or you leave it whole as a rib roast. And basically, just like a ribeye steak, a prime rib is full of flavor, is tender, is juicy. And so when you choose your rib roast at the supermarket, make sure you choose the very best piece you can afford. Look for marbling. You want that full marbling. Marbling is fat. Fat is flavor. Right? You can get it bone in or bone out. I like bone in. I like to think it gives you a little bit more flavor. Today I got an amazing rib roast, prime rib roast from grandwesternsteaks.com. My buddy Emilio over there, I called him on Saturday to place my order. On Monday they shipped the meat, and today on Tuesday I got it ready to roast it for you guys. It's really good, you know, amazing service, top quality beef, and you know what? They ship nationwide. I'm going to put a link and a coupon for you guys for 10% off in the description down below. Well, enough talking, guys. You guys came here to see me roast, sear and slice a prime rib. Well, let me show you how to do it. I am going to use the reverse sear method on this rib roast. That means that I'm going to set my grill to a low temperature of just 225 degrees and slowly bring up the internal temperature of the roast to 115 degrees. That will take about 30 minutes, give or take, per pound. But always cook by temperature and not by time to avoid overcooking. I'm going to make a nice, rich and tasty sauce. So in the drip tray, I'm putting celery, carrots, onions, with a generous splash of wine and beef broth. I'm putting the drip tray on top of 4 metal nuts to separate it a little bit from the hot deflector plate to avoid evaporating all the broth and drippings. Use your favorite rub and generously coat the prime rib. I'm using freshly ground pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder and paprika. One of the easiest sides you can make is baked potatoes. Just wrap them in foil and put them on the grill about 30 minutes or so before the rib roast is done. For the horseradish sauce, I use sour cream, mayo, mustard and prepared horseradish. Just mix everything together in a bowl and season with salt, pepper and lemon juice to your liking. Once the rib roast reaches an internal temperature of 115 degrees, remove it from the grill and set your grill up for searing and raise the grill temperature to at least 600 to 700 degrees by opening all the vents. Then sear the rib roast on all sides, but be very careful because the rich fat marbling means there will be flare-ups. Close the lid to calm and control the fire. But remember to burp your grill to avoid a dangerous backdraft. After searing, let the meat rest for up to 30 minutes so that the meat can finish cooking. To remove the bones, lay the rib roast bones first on a cutting board and then carefully cut along the top of the bones. Then slice your prime rib roast into thin slices and serve. Enjoy! Alright guys, our prime rib roast is ready. Let me talk you through it. Look how perfectly medium rare everything came out, and look how juicy it is. Absolutely amazing. We did some baked potatoes with garlic butter, some Brussels sprouts with bacon. Actually, I'm going to be posting a video recipe just on this next week. And then we made some sauce. We made a horseradish sauce from scratch as well. All right, so let's try it out. Let's go for it. Actually, this part here is the ribeye cap. We did a video on that a couple of weeks ago. Really tender, really juicy piece. Oh man, a real treat. Let me try a bite from the center. Oh, and I completely forgot. From the drippings, we made an au juice. You know, just from the drippings, we just thickened it up a little bit, made a little sauce. Very nice. And I drizzled a little bit on top. Okay, let's have a bite right from the center. Perfect medium rare, super juicy. Let's see how it came out. Oh, look at this. It's just pull apart. Look at this, guys. Look. Super tender. Really, really good. This is why I love prime rib roast. It's amazing. I want to eat the whole thing. I don't want to share it with anybody. Wow. Let me try the Brussels sprouts with bacon as well. Look at this, guys. Super crunchy bacon and caramelized Brussels sprouts. Doesn't get any better than this. Delicious. And the potato? Dip it in the horseradish. Oh. This is amazing. A real treat, perfect for your Thanksgiving, you know, holiday roast and stuff like that. I really want you guys to try that. Please try it at home and let me know how it comes out for you guys, how much you like it. I would really like to hear from you. Please leave your comments down below. Please share it with your friends. And please don't forget, check again next week for the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.